Hi, I'm Tim Carter from AskTheBuilder.com, and I wanted to show you a concrete finisher using magnesium float to float the edge of some freshly placed concrete. Watch this.
You okay?
Yep. Fine. All right, that's how you use a nice magnesium float when you're doing concrete work. Did you notice what he did? He's puddling the concrete, kind of pushing it up and down in real nice gentle strokes, making sure that the float stays along the chalk line that was on the wall. That's one of the really nice tricks, and of course the concrete's very fluid. It's very easy to use that float on it right now. I'm Tim Carter for AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.